If you would like to use your Nintendo Switch Pro controller as a USB wired controller to reduce the input lag as much as possible, this is very easy to do. We just need to use the charging cable that you got with the controller, and if you're using in dock mode, plug it into a USB port on the dock. If you want to use it in tabletop mode, then just plug it in via a USB-C on-the-go cable or a USB-C to USB-C cable. Plug it into the bottom of the Nintendo Switch and we need to change one of the settings. Go to System Settings and go all the way down to Controllers and Sensors, and then go to Pro Controller Wired Communication and then turn that on, so it's now on. And now what we need to do is, if you have a look here, it will be working just fine as it is. If we go to controllers here, you will now see that it will actually say USB underneath it. If I was to unplug this, it will kick over to the wireless again. Takes a couple of seconds, there you go. And now you can see it's wireless. Plug it back in again and it will automatically go to USB. There we go. Thanks for watching.